Hi everyone, my name is Nyangonani Anointed Dakaro.
Hi, I'm Matteo Lopare.
Hi, my name is Linda Ndaba.
Hi, my name is Fariso Mwendani.
Hi, I'm Takani and I joined the Canvas Intelligence graduate program in March 2022.
So I studied Bachelor of Commerce and Information Systems at the University of Northwest in Mafeking.
I wanted to join the Canvas Intelligence graduate program because Canvas Intelligence is one of the companies that are leading when it comes to data analytics and data engineering. So I just wanted to be among the best leading company.
The skills that I have acquired throughout this graduate program are my SQL skills. When I first came in here, I only knew about the basics, and then having to work on the Canvas Intelligence internal projects, especially the back end, it really sharpened my SQL skills.
Most importantly, I was able to just increase my creative thinking, my problem solving skills, and just learn a lot more, because here at Canvas it's always continuous learning. You never stop to learn.
There's Microsoft certifications that I've earned during my graduate program at Canvas Intelligence, where data engineering being the first one, then going on to Azure Administrator, then the last one was Azure Solution Architect Expert.
Basically, would be learning from subject matter experts. We have people working with Python, people specializing in SQL, people specializing in Power BI. So when you have those people in one room, there's like a lot that you can learn from there. And I think what made the greatest impact is that I was able to get out of my shell, because I'm one person who does not talk a lot. So being exposed to such people gave me the opportunity to sort of like also express myself.
The most challenging project that I worked on was the client portal. Client portal is basically a web application that shows you each and every interaction you have with Canvas Intelligence. The difficult part about it was that I had to integrate the web application with a lot of third parties, and that wasn't so easy at first, but eventually I learned and I figured it out with the help of other people in the office.
Throughout this graduate program, I've acquired a number of skills. I'm very proud of how I learned to extract data from various sources and using that to generate business intelligence, using Power BI, and then also getting exposed to the cloud services, the Microsoft cloud services, having the ability to use that, and how powerful they are to help a business, organization.
The most valuable part for me was being able to do what I didn't even thought existed, and also having interactions with my seniors in the office and also other graduates. Like, I had learned a lot from them, not only career related but then also on a personal level.
So the most valuable part here would be adding more skills to my skill set. I mean, I thought I knew a lot of things like SQL and Python, but it turns out that was just the tip of the iceberg. As I mentioned before, you learn a lot from like mentors here, so I think checking off boxes in terms of skills, that has been the most valuable thing. So Canvas has made me relevant in the BI field, especially after graduating. You start looking for jobs, and there's not a lot of companies that are willing to hire fresh graduates. So I'm very grateful to Canvas for giving me the opportunity.
I'm still stuck between data science, data engineering, and data analytics, which is basically everything in data. Because data analytics just evokes the creative side of me, data engineering evokes the analytics side of me, and data science just evokes both. So I'm still stuck between the three of them, which is BI developer as a whole.
Sure. My time throughout this graduate program was, I learned a lot. There were there was a lot of support, especially from the seniors whenever we had questions about how to approach specific tasks and how to tackle a lot of problems. And what I can say about this program is that there is a lot to learn. I think it's a solid foundation for the newly grads. Just enjoy